Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to online studies. Hopefully you all will be fine and enjoying studying a lot at home. And today we will do question number 1, 2 and 3 on page number 65 and question number 4 on page number 66. Let's start our today's lesson. Exercise. First question is choose the correct answer. First one, which of the following is not a state of matter? Option A, solid. Option B, liquid. Option C, oil. And option D, gas. And the right answer is option C, oil, because oil is not a state of matter. Matter has 3 states, solid, liquid and gas. So, oil is not a state of matter. Next, second statement is everything on earth is made of tiny. Option A, particles. B, parts. C, space. And D, solid. And the right answer is option A, particles. Everything on the earth is made up of tiny particles. Third MCQ is ice, water and water vapor are made of. Option A, water particles. B, solids. C, liquids. And D, gases. And the correct answer is option A, water particles, because ice, water and water vapor, these are all made of water particles. Next, fourth MCQ is which type of matter has a fixed shape and a fixed volume? Option A, solid. Option B, liquid. Option C, gas. And option D, particle. Correct answer is option A, solid. Solid has a fixed shape and a fixed volume because the particles that are present in solid are tightly packed and the forces of attraction between the particles are great. So, solid has a fixed shape and a fixed volume. Last MCQ, fifth one. When wood is burned and turns into ash, what type of change has taken place? Option A, change of state. Option B, chemical change. Option C, physical change. And option D, none of the above. And the correct answer is option B, chemical change. When wood is burned and it turns into ash, chemical change has taken place because during chemical change, a new substance is formed. During this case, when wood is burned, a new compound, ash is formed, so it is a chemical change. Next question, question number 2 is fill in the blanks. First one, matter is made up of dash. And the answer is particles. Matter is made up of tiny particles. Next blank, the particles in a dash are packed very closely together. Answer is solid. In a solid, particles are packed very closely together and the forces of attraction between the particles are strong. Now third blank is the dash in a liquid are packed loosely together, they can flow. Answer is particles. The particles that are present in liquid are loosely packed and the particles of liquid can flow. Last blank is in a gas, the dash between the particles are bigger. And the answer is spaces. In a gas, the spaces between the particles are great. Next question, question number 3 is match the definition in column A with the correct term in column B. Column A, first one, a change in which new substances are formed. Answer is option C, chemical change. A chemical change is a change in which new substances are formed. Next, second one, a change of state but no new substances are formed. And the answer is option A, physical change. Physical change is a change of state and during physical change, no new substances are formed. Last one, everything in the world that has mass and occupies space. Answer is option B, matter. Everything in the world that has mass and it occupies space, it is called matter. Now next question, question number 4 on page number 66. Mark these sentences with tick or cross. First one, particles move, and the answer is tick because particles move. Next one, particles in a gas are packed tightly together, and the answer is cross because the particles that are present in gas are very far from each other. Next one, a liter of water is more when it is in a 5-liter container, and the answer is cross because a liter of water is still a liter of water no matter in which container it is put into. So the answer is cross. Next one, particles in orange juice are packed less closely than those in orange ice slowly, and the answer is T. Because juice is in liquid form and the particles that are present in liquid are packed less closely, and the particles that are present in ice slowly are packed closely because ice slowly is in solid form. So the answer is T. Now last one, ice melts into a gas, and the answer is cross because ice melts into a water. Thank you so much.